Hello, I'm Ben Lands, Executive Advisor for APC Media. We're here at the CGRE 2025 International Symposium in Montreal, Canada, interviewing thought leaders and experts in the power industry and bringing those insights to you, our readers, around the world. Our next guest is Nicola Tomanin. Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
So you're here at CGRE 2025, the International Symposium in Montreal, Canada. Tell me about your role at Comem.
Yeah, of course. So at Comem, I'm head of marketing and sales for the group. And Comem is in the marketing, the energy market since the last 60 years.
Okay.
And so we are producing products and sensors for monitoring system of the transformers.
Okay.
And also the monitoring system itself.
Really? Okay. And what are you monitoring for? What is the product sensing?
We are monitoring with our devices the main parameters for the health, to check the health status of the transformers. Now it's a very important topic nowadays because the concept of maintaining the transformer and not replacing the transformer is very critical. So there is a preventive maintenance that is the key factor to avoid the complete replacement of the units. So it's better maintaining the product than replace it.
So do you put those sensors on when it's newly installed or after it ages? Do you have recommendations on how it's used?
So part of our products are installed during the design phase. Okay. So for us, it's very good to have the right connection with the consultants, with the design companies, with the technical advisors. That's why also we are here. And because they should put our devices during this phase. But part of the products can be also retrofitted, so can be installed later on directly on field. And the latest development that we have done are exactly following this trend to make life easy for the service companies that they have to plug and play new products instead of the obsolete one.
Okay, and what parameters are you actually monitoring? Is it dissolved gas analysis or moisture, or what are you measuring?
We are measuring the complete set of parameters like oil pressure, oil temperature, liquid oil level, gas in the oil, moisture in the transformer. We realized that having only one parameter is not enough to check the complete status of the transformer. So only collecting all the parameters and making analysis and collecting data and making analysis on that is helping to give you the right health status of the transformer. We have our monitoring system that is called Medica. It's coming from the Latin. It's like a doctor. Okay. So we made the comparison between the transformer and the human being. So you have to check your blood, how your brain,
right,
and to check how is your health status.
Right. Well, the transformer is the heart of power systems. So this is a very critical component to be able to measure this. And do you have some type of way of connecting to the web or any type of network system so you can pull that information out, or somebody go and visit to get this information? How do you collect the information?
Yeah, so the majority of our devices, they can be connected each other or any kind of monitoring system through Modbus. So which is the main protocol for communication.
Right.
So it's the standard that you can find in the market. Of course, it is also opening all the topics related to cybersecurity. So we are also trying to follow all the guidelines to have a safe, reliable monitoring system. So, and today is very important because there are a lot of installations that are in remote locations, and you want from the office to check the status of these installations. So delivering people in field is a cost, it's time, right. And very often they are in location really remote. Well, I'm thinking offshore platforms.
Sure, right. Well, this is like I said, a very critical component to power systems, and we want them to last even longer, right? Well, yeah, just throw these components away. We don't have the resources to replace them, right? With supply chain, I'm hearing it over and over again, the supply chain and being able to have a sustainable power system is critical. This seems like a very critical component that can help us build a more sustainable power systems. So we're here at Seagrey 2025 in Montreal, Canada. What are you hearing on the street, and what are you excited about as it relates to Seagrey?
So I like very much because it's the first Seagrey where I'm participating and attending as exhibitor as well.
Okay.
I was visiting like an external visitor, now also participating. I was able also to take part of some of the conferences, so it was like to come back to school. It was a very interesting experience.
Okay.
It's good because I realized that there is a technical community, and I was used to the standard community of buyers, salespeople, so really different. Now the technical community is the key point, because many of our products, as you said before, are critical and talking to the end users. So the transformer is producing few months, but then the end user is owning the transformer for 40, 50 years. Right. Especially in North America, the installed base is quite old. So it's very important to reach, to be part of this community, to be recognized as a valuable brand.
Excellent. Well, this has been great to get to know you and get to know your product. This is a really important time, right? We have massive effort to electrify, to support AI infrastructure, and we have not only a critical component, but a critical moment in time where we're trying to support all of this electrification, and your product sounds like it's coming at the right time. Nicola, thank you so much for coming by. It's been a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.